Hey everyone, just like to show you my 20th anniversary Macintosh here. I just put in a Gigabit Ethernet card in the PCI expansion slot, and I've got VNC running on it. I can connect that to anything pretty much that's running a VNC server, but right now I've got it set up to connect to a Mac Mini running OS 10. Let me get connected here and I'll show you what that's like. So it's still running its original 603E processor, so it's a little bit sluggish, but for what it is, I think it runs it really well. So there we have it. And we can browse the web and do anything we would be able to on the Mac Mini. Nothing fancy, just something I thought was pretty cool. Anyway, if you enjoyed, like and subscribe.